Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Mr. English Podcast, where learning English is simple, slow, and fun. I'm Sophia, your English learning friend. Today, we're going to talk about a very special topic, my family. You'll hear simple and natural English sentences that you can use to describe your own family. So, listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's begin. My family is very nice, and we love spending time together. I love my family very much. Let's talk about each family member. My dad's name is Tom. He works in an office in the city. He is very kind, and he always helps me with my homework. On weekends, he plays basketball with me in the park, and sometimes we watch sports on TV together. My mom's name is Sarah. She cooks delicious dinners for our family every evening. She is very caring and always makes sure everyone is happy. She enjoys gardening on weekends and loves growing flowers in our backyard. I also have one younger brother. His name is Alex. We spend a lot of time together. Alex is very funny, and he always makes me laugh with his silly jokes. He loves reading comics and enjoys playing video games when he has free time. My grandparents live near us, and we visit each other often. My grandpa enjoys watching TV shows, and my grandma loves cooking special meals for the family. She even has a secret recipe that everyone loves. Every Sunday, they come to our house for dinner. We enjoy my grandma's cooking and laugh while listening to my grandpa's funny stories. As for me, I'm a student, and I study at middle school. I like reading books in the evening, especially adventure stories. I also love taking photos with my friends and playing the piano when I have free time. As a family, we do many things together. We often watch TV after dinner and laugh when the show is funny. On weekends, we sometimes go shopping or have picnics in the park. And during holidays like Christmas, we always have a big family dinner. We eat special food, share gifts, and spend time together. At Thanksgiving, we visit my grandparents, enjoy my grandma's secret recipe, and listen to my grandpa's stories. My family is wonderful, and we always care for each other. I feel happy and thankful when we are together. Now it's your turn. Try to describe your own family in English, talk about their names, what they do, and what you enjoy doing together. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to Mr. English Podcast, and keep practicing English with me, Sophia. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode, and remember, every day is a good day to learn English. Bye for now.